Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to set a selected Wi-Fi network as metered in Windows 10. By designating a Wi-Fi network as metered, you can control your data usage and prevent unnecessary background data consumption. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to set a selected Wi-Fi network as metered. Let's get started. Step 1. First, connect to the wireless network that you want to turn on as a metered connection. Ensure that you are connected to the desired Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Next, press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen to open the Start menu. Step 3. In the Start menu, find and open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking or tapping on the Settings icon, which resembles a gear. Step 4. Within the Settings app, click or tap on the Network and Internet icon to access the network settings. Step 5. On the left side of the Network and Internet settings, click or tap on the Wi-Fi option. This will display the available Wi-Fi networks on the right side of the window. Step 6. Locate the wireless network name that you are currently connected to and click or tap on it. This will open the settings for the selected Wi-Fi network. Step 7. Scroll down in the network settings until you find the metered connection section. Step 8. Finally, toggle the switch to the on position to set the selected Wi-Fi network as a metered connection. By setting a Wi-Fi network as metered, you can have greater control over your data usage and prioritize your internet connection. Congratulations! You have successfully set a selected Wi-Fi network as a metered connection in Windows 10. You can repeat these steps for other Wi-Fi networks as well. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy managing your data usage effectively with metered connections in Windows 10.